Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear student, this is your maths class. Okay, so today we will learn some more things about fraction. Okay, let us quickly recall what we have learned in our previous lessons. Okay, yes, fraction. When an object is divided into equal parts, then each part is called fraction. So, this is clear to all of you that when an object is divided into equal parts, 2, 3, 4, but the all parts are equal, then each part of a fraction of that thing is called fraction. Okay, whole. This is one whole pizza. This is one whole pizza. So this is whole. Yes, now half. Now half. Now half. We call one of two equal parts half. What is half? We call half one. This is two half of one single pizza. Okay? These are two equal parts of one pizza. Okay? Equal means that parts are of same size. Okay, so we divided one whole pizza into two equal parts. Okay, equal means that parts are of same size. How we write half? Like this. Like this we have to write half. Third. 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 Okay, three parts of the same size. We call the part third. You can see in this three blocks are of same sizes. Okay, three blocks are of same size. So this is three parts of same size. We call the equal parts of third. Okay, see, two are green and one is in pink color. One of the three is pink. So 1/3. This is how we write 1/3. And 2/3. Two of the three parts are blue. These are three. And two is in same color, blue color. So 2 half. 2 by 3. 2/3. So this is how we write 2/3. Fourth. Fourth. Okay, fourth. Four parts of the same size we call the equal parts. This is one circle and we divide it into four parts. All parts are equal. All parts are equal. So, one whole divided into four parts. So, these are fourth. We call the equal parts fourth. Okay. See in the second part 1/4. One of the four part is orange. One of the four part is orange. So you can see a circle is divided into four parts and one part is in color orange. So this is how we write 1/4. And you can see two of the four parts are orange. Two of the four parts are orange. So, this is how we write 4 by 2. 2/4. This is how we write 2 by 4. 2/4. Okay? Three of the four parts are green. Three of the four parts are orange. Three of the Yes, 2 of the 4 parts are orange. So 2/4 is orange. 3 of the 4 parts are orange. So 3/4. Okay. So this is how we write 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Okay, see now numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator. Yes, fractions name part of a region or part of a collection. Numerator and denominator. Numerator means parts being referred to. Parts being referred to, and denominator parts in all. Parts in all. You can see this block and it has how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 8. There are 8 total 8 blocks. Okay, and how many are colored? So we have to write the total number below and part of being referred 1, 2, 3. 3 are green. So we have to write 3 above. This means shaded part. Shaded part we have to write upward and equal parts in all we write downwards, means numerator. This is numerator and this is denominator. Okay. Okay, now we will learn. Okay, now see how to find half. Okay, how to find half. Suppose we have these 8 cubes. Okay, we have 8 cubes. Okay. If we divide it into 2 equal parts, this means half. So, what we have to find? We have to find half. We have to find half. So, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cubes. So, we have to find the half of 6. We have to find half of 6. Half of 6 is, if we divide them into 2 equal parts, this means 1, 2, 3. The half of 6 is 3. The half of 6 is 3. And how we get 3? We can divide the total number, means total box cubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can divide 6 by 2. This means 3. So, what we have to find? We have to find half. So, half of 6. Half of 6 is 3. How? These are 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we divide them into 2 equal parts, so how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3. So, half of 6 is 3. Okay. So, this is how we have to find half. Okay. Okay. Now, we will find 1/3. 1/3. So, how we find 1/3? How we find 1/3? Okay, see, listen carefully to put a collection in 3 equal parts. Okay. Now we have these cubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to put these collection into 3 equal parts. Okay? Now 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? This means like this. Okay, we have to put these collection into what? Into 3 equal parts. Okay, now to put a collection in 3 equal parts. So these are a collection and we have to divide into 3. So we have to put them into 3 equal parts. So you can see these, I have divided these cubes into 3 equal parts. Okay? Now, how to find 1/3? Okay, how we find 1/3? Okay? See, if we divide these into 3 equal parts, like this or like this. Okay? So, in one part, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3. So, 1/3 of how many total box cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1/3 of 9 is how many cubes are there in one equal part? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 cubes in 1/3 of 9. 1/3 of 9, there are 3 cubes. Okay? 1/3 of 9 is 3. Yes. Okay, now see how to find 1/4. Okay? How to find 1/4. So these are the collection we have. We have to put these collection into 4 equal parts. Okay? So 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, see how we find 1/4? We have to put a collection into 4 equal parts. Then we divide by 3. Now we will divide by 3. Okay? So, this is how we have to find, and you can see 1/4 of total number. How many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/4 of 8 is 2. We divide into 2 groups. These collection we divide into 4 equal parts. In 4 parts, how many cubes? In each part, how many cubes are available? So, let's count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. So, 1/4 of 8 is 2. 1/4 of 8 is 2. So this is how we have to find 1. To find half, 1/3 and 1/4.